हेलो।
हेलो, हाँ जी जॉनी।
हाय मैम।
हाँ।
मैम एक एक रिक्वेस्ट थी। लाइक मैंने ये थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी एक फेस किया है कि व्हेनेवर आप लाइक कोड्स जब चेंज करते हैं ऑनलाइन एंड ऑल ना, कभी कभी लाइक हमसे वो नोट वोट करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है। तो सब
हम्म।
दैट इसलिए हम कभी कभी फॉलो नहीं कर पाते। लाइक जो आप कोड्स जो बेचते हो उसके
हम्म।
अलावा जो चेंजेस उसमें लाते हो ना ऑनलाइन, तो
हम्म।
व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि आप जब यहाँ चेंज कर रहे होते हो हम वहां करें, वो एक कंफ्यूजन में ना थोड़ा बहुत मिस आउट हो जाता है। तो
हम्म।
हाँ, तो हम लाइक मैं ये कह रहा था कि अगर आप लाइक एक बार में लाइक वो कोड्स हमें पहले भेज दें एंड देन वी डू इट, मे बी दैट विल ब्रिंग अ कोऑर्डिनेशन वैसा। तो
वो भी थोड़ा
पता
इसमें
नहीं
ना।
हाँ
या
क्योंकि
जैसे
क्लास हम एक ही स्क्रीन पे वी आर वर्किंग। आई डोंट नो, आई हैव फेस दिस, आई डोंट नो अबाउट अदर्स, मैं बस अपना ओपिनियन बता रहा था।
ओके, सो आई हैव कम अप विद नोटिफिकेशंस टुडे। तो एक काम करती हूँ मैं, ये आपको अभी लाइक वो क्या होता है। वन थिंग आई हैव डेवलप्ड, मैं बना दिया, लेकिन व्हेन वी आर वर्किंग ऑन इट, सो जस्ट टू गिव अ मोर क्लियर पिक्चर, तो वो जो उस टाइम माइंड में आता है कि चलो ये और डाल दो, इससे आपको थोड़ा और अच्छे से समझ में आएगा। वो इस वजह से वो उस टाइम पे रैंडम हो जाता है। So कोई बात नहीं, I've come up with more things. So how to visualize a tree, वो मैं कर रही थी बैठ के. So okay, I'm sharing that uh, Jupyter notebook with you. I'm just emailing you, so we'll be working on that. ठीक है? So give me some time. I'll mail you so that फिर आपको अभी ये प्रॉब्लम ना हो.
Hello guys, Sujata is facing some connection issue, so she will be back in a couple of minutes. Well, Sujata, I see you are back. I'm making you presenter again.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, very welcome. and here it is.
Okay, sir. Yeah, okay, everybody. So I've emailed you. So please check your email ID. I just sent you the Jupyter notebook for decision tree and random forest. It is the same, but I've brought up some new things into it. So tree visualization and parameter tuning. So that was not there earlier. So that's something different into what I've sent. So please check, did you get it or not? So am I audible to all? My network is a bit slow. So please check your email IDs. Is what I've done. One change I've done is that initially we did using lambda function. हमने y train जो y quality थी उसको 0 1 कर दिया था. This one. Yesterday we did 0 1. So that thing, like, it was not easy to understand because आज मैंने थोड़ा tree visualization भी डाला है. So I've made it good and bad today. Earlier it was 0 1, so I just made this change here, that for the column grade, which is our target, I've encoded the values to good and 1, which we did 0 1 earlier. Okay. Other than that, what I've added is nothing into it. So I've came up with some of the random forest parameters, like just to illustrate, just to tell like what these parameters are, because you might use them at some point if you want to tune your algorithm. And also I've come up with tree visualization, that how a tree is built up in, like how a random forest tree is built up, how decision trees are built up, how nodes are splitted. So I've come up with tree visualization, which was not there earlier into your Jupyter notebook. So these few things are a bit different from the earlier one. I hope everybody is having, like, सबके में ये चीज visualize हो रही होगी, and if not we'll run them. ठीक है. उससे पहले okay, like we did decision trees. उससे पहले I would हमने कल decision trees का concept समझ लिया था. The coding part we understood, like how we fit a model, how we get the result. So today I've come up with these trees, that how a decision tree is built up at the back end. So हम क्या करते हैं, because this tree is too big enough to understand, because सभी अगर मेरे जितने भी data points हैं, every data point is considered. So I just take few here. So let me take X train. Let's just take only 50 instances, 0 से लेके 50. So that tree does not. Oh, sorry, not here. Sorry. Here, while making the model. So X train, let's consider only 50 instances so that हम थोड़ा tree को समझ पाएं. Okay, so everybody do this thing. X train हम अपना पूरा X train ना देखे, we'll be just feeding 50 instances of our X train and Y train, and we'll be making predictions on 50 instances here. ठीक है. तो आप ये चीजें okay, don't do it here because we are doing this just to see how the tree is built up. Results इसमें अच्छे नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि 50 this is just to see how a tree is built up. बहुत सारे इंस्टांसेस में मैंने बनाया है, लेकिन दिस इज जस्ट वेरी हार्ड टू रीड, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा, हर चीज ओवरलैप हो रही है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू लाइक मेक इट मोर रीडेबल फॉर्म, थोड़ी मैं कम इंस्टांसेस ले रही हूँ. सो जस्ट लिमिट द साइज here on X train, Y train, and for prediction of X test and Y test. ठीक है. So Y train will automatically have 50 instances, and here as well. I've already done there. Okay, no need for this as well. ठीक है, is everybody clear क्या करना है? ये सब ने कर लिया है. And run the command. Once you have limited the number of instances, please let me know. While when you're fitting the model and when you're making the predictions. So has everybody done this thing? That you like, हमने ये limited the number of instances we are feeding into our algorithm. Okay, so once everybody is done, please let me know. This हम ये बस इसलिए करें just to visualize the tree. Otherwise हम अपना algorithm ऐसे नहीं बनाएंगे. This is just for the purpose कि हम tree कैसे बनता है वो समझ ले. Tree को क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं tree में, just for that purpose. हाँ जी, हुआ नहीं हुआ एक ये तो like what's going on? I'm getting this error. आपका ये ट्री प्लॉट नहीं हो रहा, प्लॉट ट्री. If you are able to import classify, because that also belongs to this tree class. How many of you are not able to import this tree, plot tree? Okay, where I've gone wrong. Same, everybody's getting the same error. मेरे में हो रहा है, it's getting imported. I'm nothing else I've extra imported. मैंने कुछ extra नहीं डाला. sklearn tree इसी से हमने एक classifier और random forest सभी इसी से import किए हैं. Okay. Johnny, आपका भी error है, मिताली. Okay, then I need to look into it, what extra you need to import, because sklearn एक library tree is already there. That's why you are able to run decision trees. आपका decision tree import करते टाइम भी error आया था यार. Was it okay for that? एक second, I need to like I have to Google it. Then I don't know why is it this giving an error. Give me a second, I need to Google it. You Google it as क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि मैंने अलग से कुछ import किया है and then I'm able to run this command and why rest of you are not able to. एक second, let me see the solution for this. Because I've just a few days ago I've updated my Anaconda version. So maybe you need to because you know I've somewhere I found out that it's available on the latest version of sklearn. So we installed it bit days ago. So that's why. So you need to upgrade your sklearn module. एक second. Okay, I'm sending you the command. Or you can Google that upgrade sklearn in Anaconda. So Anaconda like official web page will tell you the command, like what is the command in order to upgrade sklearn. Because this is available in the latest one, because I just updated my Anaconda a few days ago. That's why. Just give me a second. So just go to this page and copy the command, and then your sklearn will be how much time it won't take in Anaconda prompt. It won't take much time, Kartike, to upgrade. It won't take much time. अब आपका इंपोर्ट हो गया कार्तिकेय ट्री प्लॉट ट्री still getting the same error. do this command in your Anaconda prompt. Like it's like you have to. Okay then. I don't know why it's not. बाकी सबका अब किसी का कार्तिक is not able to do and same with मिताली. बाकी सबका किसी का हुआ? No, Johnny, it's nothing. ये library है. I don't know why it's not getting imported. My version of sklearn is this one. When you type in this command, this one, my version is 0.221. This is my version. You check in what's yours. Yeah, that's why maybe. One last try, run this command, otherwise like then I'll come up with a solution जिससे आपका पक्का हो जाएगा. Do this command in your Anaconda prompt. Version is different, इस वजह से it's not getting imported. This command is not yet running. Okay. तो एक काम करते हैं, ये trees वाला. Let me figure out what can I do. Yeah, let me figure out. Is everybody having the same version 0.21.3? Let me note it so that agar maybe will be upgrading. Don't do it here. It has to be done in Anaconda prompt. Anaconda prompt में जाके. जो मैंने अभी commands भेजी upgrade या वो सब, that was all to be done in Anaconda prompt. Conda install sklearn. Okay, wait, I'll show you. Give me a second. See down this here, you will have an. अगर नहीं तो अपनी search window में जाके लिख लो Anaconda prompt. I have pinned this on my taskbar. I think you might be also having. So something like this here. ऐसे जैसे हमारा command prompt होता है वैसे Anaconda prompt होता है. I need to show this. Yeah. So this is our Anaconda prompt, just like command prompt. Okay. Here you need to type this command, that pip install या जो ये sklearn वाली थी. you need to type them here. This one anaconda prompt. Like out of these commands, like जो हमारे यहाँ पे anaconda की website पे given है, this they might help you to download the latest version. नहीं अगर ये आपको like I've pinned my anaconda prompt on toolbar, so आप search window में जाके you can just type in anaconda prompt, and search window में भी you will get this. It's just like command prompt. So wherever we make an installation या मुझे कुछ नया install library module install करना होता है, in anaconda we do it using anaconda prompt. So हम लिखते हैं conda install, and what was this? scikit-learn. I don't want to run it because then my version might also change. So 0.22.1. So you need to like write it like this and run it. Or from this official website of Anaconda, जो मैंने आपको link भेजा है, copy like these commands, the very first one, and paste it there, and then it will run. Because there it's given by Anaconda itself that in order to update this package or install this package, you need to write this command. मिल गया आपको एनाकोंडा प्रॉम्प्ट सभी को? Just go to Johnny's. जैसे let me go to my search window. I'll type in here anaconda prompt in my search toolbar. Anaconda prompt, you see? You find anaconda prompt, आप search window में जाएंगे and you'll get anaconda prompt. ऐसे करो. किसी का हुआ जिसका संचित आपका हुआ? Like were you able to run the command and then importing that plot underscore tree? Okay. They're all version difference. हर version में कुछ होता है वो पीछे दूसरे वाले में नहीं होता. So bit थोड़ा इसमें है ऐसा. Try running this command first. अब इससे भी नहीं हो रहा, then do this another one which I've sent you. But for the very first time ये anaconda की जो मैंने link भेजा, इसे try running this very first command only. That conda -forge scikit-learn. This might update. No, only the very first one, Karthikeyan, the very first one. If the very first one is not identified, then go with another one, because ये इन्होंने multiple command इसलिए दी हैं based on configurations. If the very first is not able to run, then go to the second one. Then check the version कि अब आपका कौन सा scikit-learn version available है. What did you paste to command from Johnny? That scikit-learn upgrade which command? उससे पहले ये वाला करके देखो. Anaconda prompt में, not to this command prompt. Anaconda prompt, this command. उससे पहले try to run this command. It might update this one. The very first command here. Conda install. In Anaconda prompt. बाकी सब are they able to install? Karthik, what version is of sklearn now? Okay. Johnny, आपका हुआ? What about others? Rupa, Karishma, Sanchit. Okay. Argun, Rishabh. आपको Anaconda prompt मिल गया सभी को? If you have gotten your Anaconda prompt, तो उस पे जाके just type in this very first command. कॉपी कर लेना इसको और वहां जाके पेस्ट कर देना Anaconda prompt पे. कंट्रोल भी नहीं होगा, राइट क्लिक करके पेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. Like in my it does this way. आपके में भी राइट कंट्रोल भी चल जाए. So maybe let's say at some point you want to install a new module जो आपकी Anaconda की तरफ से नहीं है. Let's say any text library you want to import. तो वो हमेशा Anaconda prompt पे जाके it will be like this, conda install and the library which you want to install. वो आप यहाँ नाम लिखोगे. और if it's the command is अगर ये error दिखा रहा है या you are not able to import, then just go to Google and type the library name. जैसे TextBlob library है Google की. हाँ जी.
मैम
हाँ जी जॉनी.
ये एक पहला वाला कोड फर्स्ट डालना है ना, या पांचों इकट्ठे डाल
हाँ
के
जी,
रन
हाँ जी.
करना?
नहीं, बाकी नहीं. ये बाकी ऑप्शंस होते हैं कि अगर पहला नहीं चले then you can go with another one.
ओके.
ये नहीं चले तो पहले वाला ही ट्राई कर लीजिए. So whenever at some point you want to install a new library, so this is the way you go to Anaconda website and or Google पे कि install that into my Anaconda. So ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे इनकी कमांड्स गिवन है कि कोई भी मॉड्यूल एनाकोंडा में कैसे इंस्टॉल होगा. यू नीड टू कॉपी देम एंड यू नीड टू रन देम इन एनाकोंडा प्रॉम्प्ट. Okay, so it's 0. It's not the same 0.2 latest one. And are you able to import it now? Plot tree. नो उसमें ना फिर ये जो यहाँ पे जस्ट राइट DTC, वो मैंने टाइपो कर रखा था. जस्ट राइट द क्लासिफायर नेम, डू नॉट राइट एस्टिमेटर्स. वो जो एस्टिमेटर वाला सब है वो हटा दीजिए. ओनली राइट DT_C. उनको बाद में करना, पहले एक बार ये प्लॉट ट्री करके देखो। ये आपका इंपोर्ट हो रहा है। आई विल कम टू दोस ग्रिड सर्च एज वेल। पहले एक चीज सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं। ठीक है, आपका हो गया रोहित, ये प्लॉट ट्री इंपोर्ट हो गया। So just Karthik is able to do, उनका Anaconda version upgrade हो गया है. So just type in this command in your Anaconda prompt and then हाँ, जुपिटर को एक बार क्लोज करके दोबारा लॉन्च कर लीजिए। What about others? So I'm checking the other code. Okay, मिताली इंस्टॉल हो गया। इंस्टॉल होने के बाद क्लोज इट जुपिटर एंड रन इट अगेन। ठीक है, I'm just running some code here, so आप अभी मत करना, we'll do this. It's working. See, it's working, Rohit. हो गया रूप आपका भी import lottery. Okay, let me see. It's still an asterisk sign. It's not imported yet. This is done. This is also done. Yeah, it's done. Maybe. Okay, here we have X1 train. Okay, because I have not run this command. रोहित, आप वो जो हमने ऊपर इंपोर्ट किया ना ग्रिड सर्च सीवी, आपकी में एरर क्या आ रहा है? दैट इट्स नॉट वर्किंग। व्हाट इज द एरर इन दिस ग्रिड सर्च कमांड? बाकी सब का भी हो गया? जॉनी हुआ? मिताली? मैक्स सैंपल्स? इसके बाद तो मैंने ग्रिड सर्च लगाया भी नहीं। रोहित, मैक्स सैंपल मैंने यहाँ यूज किए हैं विदाउट ग्रिड सर्च सीवी में। In grid search CV, I've just taken n estimators, nothing else. And the classifier name is also CLF. वहाँ पे मैंने दूसरा classifier name भी रखा है। We'll come to the random forest part, but उससे पहले let's complete the decision trees and then we'll proceed with random forest explanation. Then we'll come to the coding part as well. This was just to give an idea कि how trees are made. Still the same version, Johnny. आपकी वो एनाकोंडा में जो भी हमने किया था, लाइक उससे हुआ था अपग्रेड? like this one, this
हेलो
command. हाँ जी जॉनी.
हाँ मैम किया था सारा and but still it is showing the same. Is there any way I can share the screenshot what I done?
I'll I'll
Because
I'll 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 make you the presenter. Then I'll be able to see your screen.
okay.
I made you the presenter, Johnny. Please share your screen now. Tree is not showing. ऊपर जो सबसे पहले हमने जो मैटप्लॉटलिब इंपोर्ट किया था, द वेरी फर्स्ट लाइन इंपोर्ट्स, उनको इंपोर्ट करो because matplotlib is needed in order to visualize this plot. Percentage, that magic line command, percentage matplotlib inline is also needed to visualize this graph.
मैम नहीं हो पा रहा स्क्रीन शेयर.
Screen select कर दीजिए and then जो नीचे बटन आता है share. Like go to applications or go to screen and then select and then do share.
वो डिसेबल्ड है मैम वो बटन ना शेयर वाला.
Okay. Alok sir. Alok sir.
Yes, Sujata.
Alok sir.
Yes.
Sir, आप जॉनी को प्रेजेंटर बना सकते हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल बना सकते हैं. जस्ट अ मोमेंट. जॉनी,
हाँ जी.
Johnny, you are presenter now. Please share screen.
One. That share button is still disabled on my side.
शेयर बटन डिसेबल. जॉनी, आप वेब वर्जन यूज कर रहे हैं? आप ऐप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. गो टू मीटिंग ऐप, डेस्कटॉप ऐप, वेबसाइट से मिल जाएगा. गो टू
हाँ
मीटिंग.
हाँ हाँ
तो
ठीक है
प्लीज
ठीक
वेब डाउनलोड कर लो. 1 मिनट लगेगा और उससे लॉग इन कर लेना.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. सो सर फिर एक बार रूपा को बना दीजिए प्रेजेंटर.
रूपा,
हाँ जी, रूपा श्री.
रूपा, you are presenter now. Please share screen.
करिश्मा, आपके में कहीं कॉमा कुछ होगा. सो ट्राई लुकिंग द कोड. देयर माइट बी सम कॉमास समवेयर, दैट्स व्हाई गेटिंग दिस एरर. सिंटेक्स का कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ है. आप वो एस्टिमेटर के बाद सॉरी डॉट एस्टिमेटर से स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में आई लिखा है ना, उसको हटा दीजिए. जस्ट राइट द classifier name, that is dt_c. So Rupa, sir has made you the presenter. Please share your screen. Rupa. Okay. Okay. सर फिर एक बार करिश्मा को बना दीजिए प्रेजेंटर. देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम विद रूपा's लैपटॉप, वो हैंग हो गया है.
ओके.
We are trying to install something and the version is different everywhere, so इसलिए थोड़ा
Might be, might be. Karishma, you are
the
presenter now.
functionality.
Karishma, please try to share your screen. स्क्रीन बटन एक्टिव हो गया होगा.
हाँ जी, दिख गया. Okay. Why there is a comma after plot tree, so remove that comma. It's because of that. आपने देखा ना वो error में it's pointing there. Now run it. Got an unexpected keyword feature names. एक काम करो, सिर्फ DTC, leave only DTC and just remove everything from here. सिर्फ क्लासिफायर का नाम रखो, बाकी सब हटाना. No, don't stop. We could have seen कि क्या आपका आउटपुट आ रहा है. कार्तिक आपका सही चल रहा है बिल्कुल. ठीक है. संचित आपका भी सेम है जो जॉनी का था, दैट you are still on the same version and not able to import that plot_tree. हाँ जी सर, जॉनी इज हियर. एक बार प्लीज मेक जॉनी एज अ प्रेजेंटर.
Okay. Johnny, you are presenter now. Please share screen.
सो ओके.
हेलो.
तो वहाँ जॉनी एनाकोंडा वाली वेबसाइट पे जाइए, जस्ट कॉपी दैट कमांड, या अपना यही दिखा दीजिए, लाइक व्हाट कमांड डिड एनाकोंडा फॉर साइट प्लान. व्हाट कमांड, इसको स्क्रॉल करना ऊपर.
हाँ, एक मिनट ये. ये वाला कमांड था. सॉरी, ये आपको दिख रहा है मैम?
ओके. ट्राई यूजिंग दिस सेकंड वन, एंड मे बी इसमें अभी आपका इंपोर्ट भी नहीं हो रहा है.
मैंने इंपोर्ट तो किया, लाइक सब कुछ रन भी किया. एक मिनट.
गो टू जुपिटर नोटबुक.
ये मिनिमाइज कैसे होगा?
नहीं, इस ऊपर स्क्रॉल कर लीजिए बस.
तो स्क्रॉल नहीं आ रहा अभी.
या हाँ, नीचे वो एक तो सबसे वेरी फर्स्ट कमांड वो इंपोर्ट कीजिए जहाँ पे हमने मैटप्लॉट इंपोर्ट किया है, सबसे वेरी सेल.
अच्छा.
हाँ जी, दिस वन. यस.
एंड देन सारा रन करूँ क्या, वन बाय वन?
नहीं, only that importing the data set so that हम classify, import this data set. ये रन हो गया. नाउ जहाँ पे आपने जस्ट बेसिक स्टेप्स, अभी मत रन करो, नीचे स्क्रॉल करो. Just run that cell where we have created that grade column from X and Y, from that quality जहाँ हमने grade बनाया using lambda function. Run that cell.
हाँ.
Yeah, import these as well. Tree test split. Import them as well. Yes. Then this grade command. ठीक है, now move down. Yes, X and Y. Yes. And then the train test split X and this the very first one. बस ठीक है. Check your Y. That good or bad आया है क्या आया है. Just check this Y train head. Okay. Now No need to run this one, neither this one. Go to decision trees below. Below. Yes. ऊपर जाओ. Yeah, here. Yeah, run this one. एक बार ये जो matrix accuracy है, ऊपर जाइए. Comment out these 3 lines. Because हमने लेंथ हमने 50 यहाँ तक डिफाइन की है, जहाँ हम एक्यूरेसी वगैरह प्रिंट कर रहे हैं, इसमें ये मिसमैच हो रहे हैं. सो लास्ट लाइन एज वेल, द नोड काउंट. नाउ रन इट. ठीक है, नाउ स्क्रॉल डाउन. नाउ रन दिस कमांड. ओके, इसमें DTC के बाद जो डॉट एस्टिमेटर से ये सारा रिमूव कर दीजिए टिल द कॉमा, बिकॉज ये मैं रैंडम फॉरेस्ट पे चला था, आई फॉरगॉट टू रिमूव इट. यस. No. Only this, the very first line, DTC dot estimator square bracket में, only this one. बस क्लासिफायर का नाम रखो. हाँ जी, ये भी हटा दो. डॉट
तक हटा दो.
Yeah. Now run this. Yeah, you might get your graph now, or tree now.
हाँ, got it. Okay. Thank you.
ठीक है. Okay. करिश्मा आपका हो गया. संचित क्लियर है आपका? आई थिंक आपका भी सॉल्व हो गया होगा प्रॉब्लम. इट्स नॉट प्लीज टेल. ठीक है. एनीबडी इज लेफ्ट हु इज नॉट एबल टू रन दैट कमांड? मिताली आपका हुआ? हरगुन, रोहित, अंकुर, हरगुन, आप सबका हो गया? आपका नहीं हुआ? रूपा. ओके सर, कैन यू मेक रूपा एज द प्रेजेंटर एक बार फिर से?
किसको बोला सुजाता? प्लीज कम अगेन.
रूपा, कैन यू मेक रूपा एज द प्रेजेंटर?
ओके.
हाँ जी सर.
रूपा, यू आर प्रेजेंटर नाउ.
रूपा, please share your screen. रूपा, हरगुन आपका हो गया? Meanwhile, रूपा is sharing her screen.
Hello.
हाँ जी रूपा.
Ma'am, how to share a screen?
आपके में विंडो आ रही होगी ना. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द स्क्रीन विच यू वांट टू शेयर एंड देन एक शेयर बटन.
मैम क्लिक तो कर रही हूँ बट नहीं हो रहा है.
शेयर बटन enabled है.
Rupa, I see that you are also using website. I suggest download application GoToMeeting app from GoToMeeting website.
Okay sir. Yes sir, मैं
हाँ, just
okay.
जल्दी से कर लो.
Okay sir.
वेबसाइट की जगह ऐप से कर लो.
Okay sir.
संचित आपका हुआ? अंकुर बेस्ट आपका? आई थिंक सबका हो गया. जस्ट आप नॉट गॉट द कंफर्मेशन फ्रॉम अंकुर एंड संचित. मिताली हो गया. रोहित, संचित एंड अंकुर. अंकुर का हो गया. यू गॉट टोल्ड मी. सॉरी. आपकी भी क्या इश्यू आ रहा है संचित? आपका भी नहीं हुआ रोहित? लाइक did you run that anaconda in anaconda from, did you run that command from anaconda home page जो मैंने लिंक शेयर किया था? So just like the steps we followed while I was helping out Johnny, that import the necessary libraries and X and Y को still not able to have. Did you follow all the steps? संचित आप भी? Like at what point you are stuck, Rohit and Sanjit? Please turn on your mic and say ताकि पता चले, because mostly सबका हो गया, we have just 3 people left. So meanwhile जिनका हो गया है, please try to understand that decision tree, कि how the values are created, how the tree is created. संचित and रोहित, एक बार अपना माइक ऑन करके बताओगे कहाँ पे, where are you stuck, at what point? Okay, maybe just then import did you run all those necessary cell? If you have done that command, then you are having the latest version, then it should work. जैसे जॉनी का भी was version, like it was higher version than of mine, but he was able to run that command. So maybe run all the necessary, that matplotlib and creation of x and y and that grade column, then importing the classifiers. हाँ जी रूपा.
Yes, ma'am. I imported the website. So can you tell
So
me?
sir will make you the presenter now. Alok sir will make you. Alok sir. Alok sir.
Yes, Sujata, Rupa, you are presenter now. I was just making you. I forgot to switch on my mic. Sorry.
Okay sir, no problem.
You are presenter now, Rupa. Please share your screen.
Yes, sir. I got it. Wait a minute, sir.
Say Jupyter notebook. Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I already run where it is go.
Rupa, there is a lot of echo.
Wait a minute.
अभी के लिए can you like चलो ठीक है, run the web test. Where are we getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा ठीक है.
I don't know, ma'am,
What is happening? Rupa,
There is way
okay.
too much noise, Rupa. Can you please check what's happening exactly?
संचित हुआ आपका? संचित and Rohit. सर एक बार संचित को प्रेजेंटर बना दीजिए, then we'll come to Rohit. Meanwhile, Rupa is solving the problem. Sanchit, are you there?
Okay.
हाँ जी, हो गया आपका संचित?
Sanchit, you are presenter now. You can share the screen, please.
So yes, the cell. इसमें जो ये एस्टिमेटर्स है ना, dt.c, go to that command. Yes, कॉमा से लेके remove it till dot, DTC डॉट एस्टिमेटर्स है, ये डॉट एस्टिमेटर्स को हटा दीजिए. यस. No, 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 do not remove this DT underscore C. Just keep DT underscore C. बाकी हटा दीजिए ये. Yeah, just till this dot bus and this I as well in the square bracket. ये भी हटाओ. Yeah, now run it. X1 train is not, yeah, ये तो चलो नीचे वाला है. It's still in execution. You see a star there? Yeah, I think you'll get the tree now. You did not do till 50 X train Y train जो मैंने initially बोला था. That's why it's taking so much of time. आपका समझ. So जो X train और Y train है limited till 0 to 50, till 50 rows. Okay, what is the error? अच्छा, okay. Yeah, still because आपने सब अपने पूरा X train और Y train yeah. So you just limit your data from 0 to 50. It will be much more faster plus easy to read. ठीक है. रोहित आपका हो गया. रोहित शर्मा. सर एक बार रोहित को भी प्रेजेंटर बना दीजिए. देन आई थिंक एवरीबडी सबका इंस्टॉल हो गया है. We are bothering you a lot today.
No problem, no problem. Rohit, you are presenter now. Please share screen. रोहित, स्क्रीन शेयर कर पा रहे हैं?
Okay. हाँ जी. Visible now, Rohit. So, okay, go down. जो y predict है, एक तो इसमें 0 से 50 हटाइए because if we are making predictions on X test and the range is 0 to 50, then automatically y predict में 0 से 50 तक जाएगा. So उसको हटा दीजिए. y predict के सामने जो bracket है 0 से 50 when you are printing the accuracy score and the classification report. Keep the y test. जो ये था बस y pred के सामने से 0 से 50 हटा दीजिए because when you are making the prediction on X test having the length 0 से 50 तो automatically y pred की length भी same होगी. Yes. And bring in that y test जो आपने हटा दिया. y test में 0 से 50 रखिए because that is a bit like उसकी length अलग है. Square bracket. Square bracket. Fifty. सेम थिंग जो y pred के सामने empty bracket है वो भी हटाइए. They will throw an error. ऑल्सो जो क्लासिफिकेशन एक्यूरेसी स्कोर है वहां पे भी y pred के सामने से 0 से 50 हटाइए. लेट इट बी फॉर y टेस्ट ओनली. यस. नाउ रन द कमांड. आपका विल डील विद दिस. ओके, इसको छोड़ो. उससे पहले आपका ट्री इंपोर्ट हो गया. विल डील विद दिस. ये हो गया आपका प्लॉट ट्री इंपोर्ट विच वाज द मेजर कंसर्न फॉर नाउ. RFC. okay, go down, scroll down on decision trees. So what the error says? scroll up. Scroll up. Did you run your DT_C classifier, decision tree classifier? DT_C where it is defined, इससे ऊपर है. Yes, this one. इसमें आप 0 से 50, इसमें एक तो काम कीजिए, accuracy score, report and the last 3 line, comment them out. And X train, Y train और X test पे just limited to 0 से लेके 50 तक. लास्ट की 3 लाइन कमेंट आउट कर दीजिए. Select all of them and then do control and /. Select 3 and control /. Now run it. कोई बात नहीं, 50 नहीं है तो. Let it be version. Now run this command. Show me what is the state ऊपर जहाँ पे हमने tree plot किया है. Yeah, it is in asterisk state. You will also get the tree now. It will take some time because आपने पूरा X train और Y train की सभी values ली हैं. That's why. It will show. Rupa, are you able to do? रूपा, हाँ जी हो गया रोहित आपका. रूपा, रोहित हो गया आपका, ठीक है. I was asking 0 से 50 because this इसमें बहुत सारी nodes है, they are hard to interpret, hard to understand. So just limiting the data तो थोड़ा tree was lighter. Tree would have become lighter. That's why. Rupa Shri, are you there? Rupa, no. Sir, please make me the presenter. Then let's proceed.
Okay, Sujata, you are presenter now.
Sir, thank you.
Okay.
Yes. So this was the plot for our decision trees. ये clear है? Why I have done this 0 से लेके 50? कोई confusion है कि why have we written this 0 से 50? Anybody? Just because when you run your complete X train, Y train, your tree will be so like huge and with so many leaves and branches. वो overlap हो रही है, and when we come to like understanding purpose, तो वो थोड़ा is hard to understand. But you can do it that way. It's your call totally. But just मुझे समझाना है, इसलिए I've just included very few parameters here. That's only 49 rows. Sorry, 50 rows I've taken. ठीक है. So we have used this decision tree classifier. X train, Y train हमने कल ही define कर लिया था that Y train was to predict the quality of wine, that the wine quality is good or bad. हमने अभी ऊपर बनाया भी था. And we are making the prediction storing into YPRED. ठीक है. So now using tree module or tree class from sklearn, and the function is plot tree. Using this function, we can plot the decision tree. So what DTC is referring to, the name of my classifier. So when we imported DT decision tree classifier, I've made it, I've given the name as DT_C. So that's why I'm giving this name here. Okay, feature names. See, when you see your tree, you see alcohol is written here. एक second, let me bring in the pen. Okay, you see feature names, alcohol is written here, sulfate is written here, and when you scroll down, you'll even find more names. हमने ज़्यादा यहाँ नहीं मिलेंगे because मैंने data set बहुत कम लिया है. And you see volatility, acidity is here, sulfates is here. Clear? these how did we get them? ये हमारे जो हमने X train में जो हमारे columns थे, because they were only the features for our decision tree, so we picked those column names and वो हमारे feature name बन गए, and from that we are giving this. So let's, if I do not give this name, I've commented this feature name out. You see now I'm getting the name as X0, X3. I'm getting the index name. So that's hard to understand. Easily I've used xtrain underscore columns. So is this clear that what feature names are referring to? Anybody's having any confusion? That what feature names are referring to in my tree? Yes, they are the column names. Because if I do not give, when I was commented out, when I've commented this out, तो इसने by default index से pick किया. So when, which is my X train, उसमें जो 0 वाला column है, that has become the splitting node. And after splitting node on the left child is from the X train third wala column. So it gave me indexing, but I want names because indexing, how do I refer? Because I have to again and again check my X train data set and then see what is on column 0, what is on column 1 and 2. So in order to avoid this indexing X, which you see here, this one, X bracket mein 0, X bracket mein 3, and all, when you scroll down, you'll see more. So in order to avoid these names, I have done this X train underscore columns. So when I comment this in, I'll see that they are no longer X underscore 0, X underscore, X square bracket. I've gotten the names. So you get the names into this splitting node by this feature names. Clear? Now then comes the class name. Class name is talking about the target. Johnny, clear हुआ आपको भी? Feature names. Is anybody having any confusion in feature names and where are they shown up in the tree? ठीक है. So now the class name comes in. Class is taken here as the target. So if initially I gave 0, 1, जो हमने कल किया था 0, 1, and now I've recoded it to good and bad, because मैंने आपको initially बताया कि वो command में मैंने change किया जो हमने कल 0, 1 किया था. अब 1 I've given good and 0 I've given bad, because just for one single purpose. जैसे now the class is told here bad. You see the class is given bad here. Else it would have been given 0. So थोड़ा एक अच्छा समझने के लिए आप just recoded, you can just keep it same as well 0, 1, लेकिन फिर उस टाइम पे आपका यहाँ पे bad की जगह 0 आ जाएगा, and where it is a good it will come 1. Also one thing you see in here, node ID says represented by this node number. So if I do not set node ID to be true, I won't get this node number. So this is my root node, because this is the very first node on which splitting was performed. This is the second node. इसके बाद मैंने pen activate किया हुआ है, so I won't be able to scroll down. Okay. So this is my node 2 where alcohol. This is my node 13. Node 3 is further. So you see how my tree is traversed. Okay, let me bring in pen again. So very first node 0, then it has gone this way. कोई बात नहीं रूपा. Like, is your this plot tree installed? Not yet. Try running all the commands and then see, maybe आपका हो जाए. Okay, so I was just explaining this decision tree. एक second मैं एक बार ये थोड़ा सा पूरा कर दूँ, then I'll start. थोड़ा सा मैं फिर से बता दूँगी. So you see, this was my splitting node. That was the node with 0 ID, the very first root node. Then this became my splitting node second. That's the child node with Gini value of this much. And इसमें इसने consider किया that sulfates greater than this Gini value, and samples refers to the number of instances here जो इस condition को satisfy कर रहे हैं. Value refers to the count of instances. On the left side is referred to as good, and on the right side is referred to the value of bad. So given these many sample, मेरे 20 sample है, उसमें 15 samples good के हैं, that is good class. Only 5 samples are referring to the bad class. So that's why you see the majority wins voting होती है, my outcome is good here. Similarly, यहाँ पे मेरे total थे 50 sample. Out of that, 28 are referring to bad and 22 are referring to good. And see, majority wins because 28 majority है. So the class is specified here bad. इसमें I have only 2 samples left and Gini is 0 because this is my leaf node. You see, Gini value is 0. So जैसे हमने Gini value जब calculate की थी, whenever the Gini value is reached to be completely homogeneous or pure, that is 0, means nothing more is left to split out. So the same thing has happened here. Here the Gini value is 0 and this is node number 13 and यहाँ पे मेरे total samples available कितने हैं 2 and they all belong to the bad class. Again, the splitting criteria for volatility index, this is the node number, Gini value कि क्या Gini value ली है जिसपे split हुआ and the number of samples present here. And out of those samples, 15 are belonging to the class good because majority wins, तभी मेरा यहाँ पे good है, and only 2 samples are belonging to class bad. And again, this has become my leaf node because you see Gini value. Wherever you see a Gini value of 0, it means that is a leaf node. And what do we mean by leaf node? Means the child node. So this is our child node and the number of samples present here is 1 and that is only categorized to be bad because that lies into this bad class. So clear हुआ कि कैसे what these values in this decision tree are referring to? Is anybody having any confusion? Like what this node is referring to? What this is the column name. Gini value कैसे calculate होती है हमने किया है and what these samples are referring to, what this value is referring to, and how this class is coming up. Anybody having any confusion?
Ma'am, just like थोड़ा मुझे like I want to understand कि like now these 2 samples are left and they cannot be split further. जहाँ पे भी
No.
split हो रहा है means they are only good. Means I'm little confused कि like वो Gini value was
Split तब तक होगा जब तक Gini value आपकी 0 नहीं हो जाती. एक second, let me raise the drawings and then I will show you. See here the Gini value is 0. It means pure homogeneous sample is attained. Here Gini value is 0. It means pure homogeneous sample is attained. जहाँ भी आपकी root node होगी, when you scroll down again, see यहाँ पे Gini value 0 नहीं थी, so further split हुआ. यहाँ पे Gini value 0 नहीं थी, so एक second मैं drawing लेके आती हूँ. So Gini value was not 0 here, so that's why it further splitted. यहाँ पे भी Gini value is not 0, so it further splitted up to root node 6. लेकिन यहाँ पे Gini 0 हो गई, so no splits. यहाँ पे भी Gini 0 हो गई, so no split. Gini is 0 here, so no split. यहाँ पे Gini is not 0, so it further splitted to this node. This also Gini not 0, so it further splitted. And at this point, both child nodes are attained because now my Gini value has gotten to be 0. Homogeneous sample is attained. मतलब 4 class है and 4 class are all belonging to good. Here only 1 class exists, that is sample 1 is there and that only belongs to bad class. ठीक है? Here 2 samples exist, so you see here in value as well. So and they all belong to my good class. So wherever your Gini value comes out to be 0, it means homogeneous sample is attained and that is your leaf node. जब तक आपकी जैसे ये भी यहाँ पे मेरी Gini 0 हो गई है. Here Gini value is not 0. It's further splitted.
मैम जैसे ये नोड 5 है इसमें सैंपल 3 है एंड क्लास इक्वल्स टू गुड मींस जो 3 सैंपल है उसमें से 2 गुड है एंड एक बैड है इसीलिए उसका क्लास इज कमिंग एज गुड बिकॉज़ जो भी मेजॉरिटी में होगा दैट विल कम एज गुड मतलब व्हाट दैट विल कम एज ओके ओके
और वही 3 की बाइफर्केशन हुआ 2 तो मेरे गुड में बन गए एंड 1 केम आउट टू बी बैड. क्लियर? So in total जितनी भी bifurcations हो रही है they will all sum up to 50 because we have taken 50 instances. अगर हम ज्यादा लेंगे तो ये ज्यादा ट्री और ज्यादा बड़ा बनेगा. हाँ जी, is anybody having any confusion कि what these values are referring to? रूप आपको समझ में आया? यही चीज मैंने शुरू की थी समझानी. So मैं एक बार रूपा missed out the initial part. So DTC like this is the figure size हम initially करते आ रहे हैं. Plot tree is the function name and DTC is referring to the classifier which we are using. And what is DTC here? my decision tree classifier in which I'm fitting my training data and making predictions. ठीक है? So now what feature names are referring to? Because Rupa missed it out, इसलिए मैं दोबारा समझा रही हूँ. अगर आपको समझ में आ गया तो please थोड़ा सा patience. So what feature names are referring to? So you see the names here. एक second, let me show the more tree. Okay. Rupa, are you there? अभी मैं समझाऊँ और आप अभी you are not. Are you there, Rupa? Okay. So what these feature names are referring to? They are referring to these column names. जैसे मेरा यहाँ पे alcohol is visible, sulfates is visible. When you scroll your tree और यहाँ पर tree publish नहीं हुआ है. So you see another volatile acidity is given here. Sulfates again is given here. So these column names, how the column names are getting printed? This is because of this X-train columns. By this command, it is picking up the column names and giving कि इस node पे इस Gini value पे split हुआ है. And if I just comment this code out, मैं इस feature names को हटा देती हूँ, then I won't get the column names. You see, when I've commented this out, and when I run this, you see now the column is represented. Earlier it was alcohol, but now it is X0. Now it gave me the indexes कि आपका जो 0 वाला column था, it has become the splitting node, that is the root node, and then further on the left side उसके बाद जो split हुआ, that was on the column 3. So in order to, like, it's hard to understand by the index values until unless you are like you have crammed up कि मेरा इस index पे ये वाला column है. So for the better understanding and to get the like clear understanding के लिए we have used X-train dot columns. So it will pick up the column names and will give the column name, not the index value. ठीक है? Now coming on to the class name, Y-train में जैसे last time yesterday we did using lambda function 0 and 1. You can use that thing also, but for understanding purpose मैंने good or bad इसलिए किया. You see now class here. एक second. You see the class is at the end of this tree. The class is written as bad. The class written here is good, and again class is written bad here. So this has came up from this column. मैंने because I've taken X-train dot unique. So X-train में हमने कर लिया था 0-1. अगर मैं यहाँ पे 0-1 लेती, that would have run, कोई problem नहीं आती. But it was hard to understand बार-बार कि what one is referring to. Just for the understanding purpose मैंने इसको good or bad encode किया दोबारा. Now it says that alcohol column पे, let me run this command. Now it says with column alcohol, जिसकी Gini value ये थी, splitting criteria. एक second, one thing. जैसे हमने कल रिग्रेशन में एंट्रोपी में किया था ना कि फॉर अगर कैटेगोरिकल है तो नंबर ऑफ क्लासेस में डिवाइड हो जाएगा, लेकिन when the problem is a regression problem तो कुछ एक स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू ली जाती है, बी मीन और मीडियन, उस वैल्यू को लेके वो सेग्रीगेट करता है. सी नाउ अल्कोहल वैल्यू लेस देन इधर वाले आ गए, ग्रेटर देन इधर आ गए. ठीक है? एंड दिस इज अ सेग्रीगेशन पॉइंट फॉर दिस अल्कोहल कॉलम. प्लस हर एक कॉलम की Gini वैल्यू निकलती है. वी डिड दैट पार्ट. So out of that, the column with the least Gini value is considered as the splitting criteria. So इसमें सभी हमारे सल्फेट और volatile ऐसे कुछ columns calculate लिए गए हैं. Out of that, alcohol had the least Gini value, so it became my root node. This node hash number is through this one, node IDs. It will tell me what is the number for this node. So this is root node number 0. This is root node number 1 by here. Okay. So Gini value represents की Gini index क्या आया है after all that calculation, and the column with least Gini value was taken for the splitting node. Samples हमने X-train when you like हमने जो decision tree ऊपर बनाया है, here you see we have taken 50 samples. So that is why this all the samples taken here are 50, because हमने वहाँ पे 50 define कर दिया था. So you see all the samples here are 50 because of the data which we have taken earlier. Now once the sample are divided, bifurcation is done कि उसमें जो मेरी values थी the target, because हमने Y-train when we are fitting data to a model, we are fitting X-train as well, and respective y train as well. So उसमें उस 50 के distribution में like this 22 is for good and 28 is for bad. So majority voting होती है. So out of that 28, the right side is bad, so it wins. So the class is identified as bad. ठीक है. Now it has bifurcated to this node. Sulfates की Gini value सबसे कम मिली, so it came to the on the left node. And then इसकी Gini value display हुई and the splitting criteria इसका identify हुआ है that the value less than 0.785 will come to the left side. Value of sulfates more than 0.785 will come on the right side. Then individual samples key sulfates may given this Gini value and what is the number of samples available. Plus उस sample में distribution क्या है good or bad की 15 belongs to good class. So voting criteria से this good is identified here. Now this became my root node. Oh not root node, leaf node. Because now Gini value came up to be 0. Okay. So X columns gives you these column names. These class names tell you ki what the class is here, good or bad. Filled refers to जो ये हमारी coloring हो रखी है back में. This is because of this. If you remove this filled or if you set it to false, everything will be blank, like it will be transparent. ये आपका सिर्फ black and white आएगा, no color, no orange, no blue, nothing. Rounded is just you see the edges are rounded. Here, rounded refers to this one. If you set it to false, you'll have just pinpointed square brackets. कुछ round नहीं होगा. ठीक है. Font size सभी font size है. Node ID is referring to the nodes. So is the tree clear? कि how the trees are made and what these values refer to? Is anybody having any confusion? So when I remove this limit from 0 to 50. This one, and I'm running my classifier again, and I'm running this command again. Now I'll get a tree, huge enormous tree. So उसमें all the values are considered. अभी हमने 50 सेट की थी तो 50 पे ट्री बन के दिखाया था. Now we have considered all X train and Y train values. Now I'll get a huge enormous tree built on all the values. It's taking some time. Rupa, meanwhile, आपका did you try running all those commands and plotting this tree? Still taking some time. You see, the total number of instances given are 1279. And if I print my length of X train, so length of X train, you see it's 1279. So all of my instances are considered here in samples. Rupa, what do you mean by tab? Like I'm using tab, matlab? Okay. ठीक है. So all these dark blue nodes are your child nodes. ये थोड़ा समझने में मुश्किल है, but in random forest, see, this is one decision tree. In random forest, if I take like I want to create 500 decision trees, तो ऐसे 500 decision trees बनेंगे. Okay, so that's called an ensemble. हम अभी उस पे आते हैं. So is anybody having any confusion so far in decision trees किसी भी point पे? Then we are starting with random forest. Is anybody having any confusion? कार्तिक, all clear. साबुन से रगड़ के all clear या सबको समझ में आ गया है? Okay. So मैं थोड़ा 5 मिनट का ब्रेक लेती हूँ. I'll have some water. उसके बाद we'll start with this PPT of ensemble जो I've already shared with you. We'll start with this PPT. ठीक है? Where is this PPT? Yes. So I'll be back at it's like 5 minutes. Okay, and let me leave a note here. Okay, 12 ज़्यादा टाइम वैसे बचा नहीं है, but I'm really thirsty. 45. Till the time आप इसको समझ के देखो, कुछ questions आता then we'll answer, otherwise we'll proceed to that and assemble PPT. ठीक है? So is everybody there? Mitali, my Parth is not coming, not attending the session. We're missing Parth here. Why is he not attending the session? Okay, no way. Okay, then let's start with our ensemble method. So ensemble means when we come to random forest is called an ensemble of decision trees. Okay, Mitali. Okay, so when we talk about random forest, as I said, random forest is called ensemble of decision trees. And what do we mean by ensemble? Like, just say random forest uses hundreds of decision trees in its code to come up with a decision. Just a classification case, as I told you, that given 100 decision trees, it will do the voting from all of them and will come with a single result. So when those 100 trees, जब हम बोलते हैं, then that is an ensemble. Ensemble say, like as I've written here, give me a second. Yeah. So ensembles is, see when I'm minimizing this, is my screen visible now? I don't know, when I'm minimizing this GoToMeeting, everything starts blinking non-stop. Okay, so ensemble in machine learning concept in which multiple models are trained using the same learning algorithm. So multiple models say what are we referring to? Decision trees. So in order to create a random forest, we train thousands of or hundreds of decision trees, and then we come up with a single result. So that is called ensemble of decision trees. So hundreds or thousands of learners. So learners se bhi we are again referring to sorry. Learners we are again referring to decision trees with a common objective. So what do we refer by common objective? So if a random forest is there, and in that we take 100 decision trees or 500 decision trees, let's say, decision tree आपने देख लिया, so वैसे ही 500 decision trees are made in core. So and what all, like same data is fed into, agar if I'm taking five columns into my, feeding my 5 columns into my random forest algorithm, then that same data will be fed into those 500 decision trees, and the same target, that is same Y train, will be given to those 500 decision trees. So every decision tree will work on the same data, but not exactly same columns. Information wahi rahegi, but this bit of difference. Will cover that as well. So that's why I've written here common objective, that is they all have to work to predict the same thing using the same data. Okay, so we combine several decision trees to produce a better predictive performance than a single decision tree. It's better because एक decision tree कोई result देगा, उसके comparison में 500 decision trees are giving a result, and then voting is done. Obviously, it will be a better one. Okay, because there are less chances, because one decision tree might overfit or underfit, 2 decision trees might overfit or underfit, or let's say 100 might overfit or underfit, but 500 decision trees won't underfit or overfit altogether. Okay, so some might underfit, some might overfit, some might better perform, some might like average, some might be average performers. So my result will be overall will be a good result. So that is why random forests are considered as like good algorithm, because वो ज्यादा ओवरफिट नहीं होते ना अंडरफिट होते, लाइक दे आर गुड एल्गोरिथम्स. क्लियर? So ensemble का main concept यही है that you use an ensemble of algorithm, and decision tree is itself an algorithm. So random forest is an ensemble of algorithm. Random forest is an ensemble algorithm. So is this the line clear that why random forest is called an ensemble algorithm? If I say random forest is an ensemble algorithm, is the line clear? Andy? If I'm saying random forest is an ensemble algorithm, so is this line clear? If somebody asks what does this line mean, can you make him understand or her understand that what this line means? No, हम सीधा ये बोलेंगे. It is called an ensemble because in its core it uses n number of decision trees. So ensemble means decision tree is itself an algorithm, so where it uses multiple algorithms, like n number of algorithms are used to come up with a result, so it becomes an ensemble. जहाँ पे आप multiple algorithms को इकट्ठा कर रहे हो उनके result लेके coming up with a result, so it becomes an ensemble. You can create an ensemble of yourself. हम अपना जैसे let's say I'm making prediction using decision tree. I'm making prediction using random forest, and I'm making prediction using KNN, and let's say one other algorithm, let's say SVM. Same problem statement, same target, same data is fed into different 4 algorithms. Okay. So now out of those 4 algorithms, 2 might say that this class A belongs to, so this instance belongs to class A, and 2 might say that this instance class belongs to class B. या इट कैन बी वाइस वर्सा कि 4 एल्गोरिथम में से 3 मेरा ये बता रहे हैं कि दिस इंस्टेंस बिलोंग्स टू क्लास ए. सो आई कैन डू द वोटिंग पार्ट. I fed the data into my 4 algorithms, totally different. एक decision tree था, एक random forest था, एक SVM था, एक KNN था. चारों ने अपने रिजल्ट दिए. उन पे मैं वोटिंग खुद से भी तो करा सकती हूँ ना, कि जो मेजोरिटी जिसको बोल रही है, जो एल्गोरिथम जिसको मेजोरिटी बोल रहे हैं, देन मेक दैट ओनली as class A and other as class B. So that also becomes an ensemble of algorithms where you are using multiple algorithms to predict the same thing. Decision tree भी backend में यही करता है, multiple decision tree बनाता है. आप खुद का ensemble बनाओगे तो you use multiple algorithms. Clear हुआ the concept of ensemble? Okay, one more thing. The data I've shared with you, train and test. So come up with the ensemble process as well. हमने डिसीजन ट्री कर लिया, रैंडम फॉरेस्ट तरीका वही है, कैसे चीजें इंप्लीमेंट होगी. डॉट फिट डॉट, आप वो जो अभी उसमें फीचर्स लिखे हुए हैं, दैट पैरामीटर्स हैव रिटन, जस्ट उनको अभी हटा देना. ओके, आई विल टेल यू. देन आई वांट द रिजल्ट कि आप लास्ट में एंसेम्बल के साथ भी आप आ रहे हो when you come up with the train test prediction. So one thing I would say here, how do you decision tree जैसे आपने अभी fit predict किया वैसे ही random forest होगा. So you import this random forest. concept मैं बाद में समझा दूंगी, लेकिन I wanted to create an ensemble. So इन सबको हटा देना. Okay, and then fit your training data here and testing data here and make predictions. Predictions बन जाएंगे, classification accuracy सब आ जाएगा. Can you use the random forest classifier? ये वाली चीजें I'll explain, but without these, can you fit random forest classifier to your data? हाँ जी बताओ. Just like decision trees, can you fit or can you use random forest classifier? Why not? Sure, Johnny, बताओ कहाँ लग रहा है कि कैसे नहीं होगा. X train आपको पता है कैसे बनता है, Y train पता है कैसे बनता है. रैंडम फॉरेस्ट क्लासिफायर मैंने बता दिया कहाँ से इंपोर्ट होता है. इट विल बी इंपोर्टेड फ्रॉम, आई हैव गिवन दिस कमांड हियर. वी आर इंपोर्टिंग रैंडम फॉरेस्ट क्लासिफायर फ्रॉम दिस कमांड. क्लासिफायर इंपोर्ट किया, एक्स ट्रेन वाई ट्रेन बनाया, ठीक है. वही वाले से ग्रिड सर्च रहने देना, सिर्फ एल्गोरिथम पे लगाना है. उसका ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया रैंडम फॉरेस्ट क्लासिफायर का, डॉट फिट करके एक्स ट्रेन डेटा दिया, वाई ट्रेन डेटा दिया. दिस वाज फॉर जस्ट ट्री पर्पस, वो ट्री समझाने के लिए. ठीक है, एक्स ट्रेन वाई ट्रेन डेटा दिया, मॉडल इज ट्रेन्ड एंड यू मेक द प्रेडिक्शंस एंड क्लासिफिकेशन और एक्यूरेसी रिपोर्ट आ तो जाएगी, हो जाएगा रैंडम फॉरेस्ट ऑन न्यू डेटा. ठीक है, सो वंस आप इस पे जो मैंने आपसे डेटा शेयर किया था वो पूरा एंड टू एंड बनाने के लिए फ्रॉम स्क्रैच टिल मॉडल, आप रैंडम फॉरेस्ट लगाएंगे, डिसीजन ट्री लगाएंगे, KNN लगाएंगे. ठीक है, 3 एल्गोरिथम्स. So from these 3 algorithms you have to make an ensemble. कि जिस वोटिंग कराओगे ensemble में, how you do it is your call. Python के basics यूज होंगे वोटिंग के लिए, no predefined function, no. जो ये क्लासिफिकेशन मैट्रिक्स है, जो ये वाई प्रेडिक्ट होगा, तीनों का वाई प्रेडिक्ट का एक डेटा फ्रेम बनेगा. उसमें से अगर जहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि अगर 2 में 1 है और या 2 में कैटेगराइज एज गुड है, देन यू मेक गुड या लोन देना चाहिए ना नहीं देना चाहिए, डिपेंड्स. उसके अकॉर्डिंग यू विल डिफाइन योर न्यू टारगेट. ठीक है, एंड देन यू विल कैलकुलेट दीज accuracy. So you have to come up with an ensemble also. So one will be a decision tree model, one will be a random forest, one will be a KNN, and fourth model will be your ensemble model. Clear है क्या करना है? This you have to come up with the data which I have shared with you. Is the concept of ensemble clear? हाँ जी अंकुर, हाँ जी अंकुर. ठीक है, बाकी वाली पीपीटी, सी दिस इज द दीज आर द कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो पीपीटी हम कर रहे थे कि हाउ डेटा इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. सो अभी के लिए जस्ट इम्प्लीमेंट द कोड. कोड लगाना आपको आता है, जस्ट इम्प्लीमेंट द कोड. ये कॉन्सेप्ट है दैट हाउ डेटा इज फेड इनटू दिस डिसीजन ट्री. ये लाइक विदाउट देम आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग पूरी नहीं है रैंडम फॉरेस्ट की, बट यू कैन इम्प्लीमेंट इट just to create an ensemble. I want, अगर हो जाता है ठीक, नहीं होता then we'll do it. ठीक है, I'll explain the rest of the PPT. आपके पास PPT है, simple concepts हैं, समझ के देखना. Otherwise next weekend पे we'll complete this PPT and we'll discuss that train test data which I've shared you. So do the data cleaning part and make predictions. So I want 4 algorithms in total. कर लेंगे ना सभी? कोई कंफ्यूजन है किसी को? कैसे होगा? Anybody? ठीक है, कर लेना पक्का. Tagging, boosting and bootstrapping, these are the concepts जो random forest use करता है in its core to share the data among the decision trees. ensemble था कि 1000 या 500 डिसीजन ट्री लेके एक मॉडल बनना. बैगिंग की सबका रिजल्ट, जैसे एक डिसीजन ट्री ने कुछ रिजल्ट दिया, दूसरे डिसीजन ट्री ने कुछ रिजल्ट दिया, कंसिडरिंग ऑल द आउटपुट्स फ्रॉम ऑल द डिसीजन ट्रीज एंड देन गिविंग अ सर्टेन रिजल्ट इज कॉल्ड बैगिंग. मैं थोड़ा और अच्छे से समझाऊंगी नेक्स्ट सेशन. सो आज की क्लास में किसी को कोई डाउट था? हालांकि आज हमारा ज्यादा कुछ कवर नहीं हो पाया बिकॉज दैट ट्री टुक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. But no issues, that was also important. वो जरूरी है at some point समझने के लिए. So any confusion so far? Okay, good then. So if you do, अगर आपका बीच में हो जाता है, share the code with me where you have done the data cleaning part and creating model, and we'll discuss that also in next class. ठीक है, so thank you everybody. Okay, Alok sir, we are back to you.
Okay. Very fine, guys. So that's pretty much sums up this weekend. And thank you, Sujata, for being with us. Thank you, everybody.
एक सेकेंड सर, एक सेकेंड. रूपा, see you go through this recording because I've had multiple people, तो maybe at some point आपका problem solve हो जाए. Try importing the important libraries, और जो मैंने लिंक भेजा इसमें एनाकोंडा का, वो एनाकोंडा प्रॉम्प्ट पे जाके ट्राई रनिंग दैट कमांड. It will help you because सभी का इंस्टॉल हो गया, so it will help you out also. ठीक है. Okay, thank you everybody. Thank you sir.
Okay, very well, guys. So signing off now. I'm ending the meeting. See you next weekend.
Okay sir.
Take care. Stay safe. Bye bye.
Bye sir.